Hi guys.
I'm Shauni.
And I'm Mondi, and we've been married for 11 years.
Yes, indeed. And today starts the series, Forgiveness. And we're going to talk about it right after this intro. I feel like that was great because it didn't butcher your drums like normally.
I appreciate that.
You will. Okay guys, here starts the forgiveness series.
Yes.
Alright? And we're gonna start it off with the reasons why it is hard for people to forgive.
Yeah.
Right? We're gonna end it next week on what forgiveness really is and how to forgive. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, reason number one why it is hard to forgive. Forgive and forget is some bullshit.
True.
Okay? You will always remember. You will never forget. But what happens is it will become less and less at the forefront of your mind on the path to forgiveness.
True.
You want to forget anyway, right? Because it teaches you a lesson.
Facts.
And when you learn a lesson from something, it prevents you from doing the same thing over. It prevents you from repeating the same mistake. So you do not want to forget it.
True.
You know what I'm saying? You just don't want to have it pounding on the forefront of your mind every doggone day, pissing you off. You get what I'm saying?
I totally get it. I
Yeah.
get it. And I think one of the other reasons, or could call the second reason why people don't forgive, is because they feel like they have to confront the other person. You know, you feel like you gotta, confront them and they have to apologize first.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, if you're waiting on that, that's not gonna happen. That's in reality TV. It just doesn't happen like that in real life.
Nah, baby. Nah, baby. Reason number 3 why it is hard to forgive is that some people like playing the victim.
Yes.
Okay? It is like a drug.
Yes.
They love telling their stories to people and people sympathizing with them.
True.
Okay? And if they forgive, they lose their high. It is something about that position, that sympathy that people give them, that helps them to feel protected and cared for. Something that they probably did not get prior to, that makes them crave that attention.
I get what you're saying. It's something about being in the comfort of sympathy, right? It's something about being in the comfort of people feeling bad for you.
Yep.
Identifying and feeling your pain.
Yep.
And it's a shared pain. Now it becomes a shared pain. So there's something to that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Coming up next, part 2.
Don't miss it.